everybody, Danny here. Well, I'll tell you what, let's go put another layer of misty foliage into our painting, and we're getting ready to start doing a little more up close work. I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we are. Hi everybody. Are we going to do some more fun today? Let's just mist our paper just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hey, the overwhelming response yesterday was just absolutely glorious. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to bring a few of these forms, whatever they might be in reality. They'll end up looking like trees to our brain. We're going to just bring those a little bit closer. Just a little closer. We're not trying to draw any completed anythings yet. Okay, just some form, just to kind of tease the brain a little bit, okay? And we can just put some over here. We're just misting it around, just like that. See there? The magic of watercolor. Okay, we'll come down here and we'll make that just a little bit darker, and just a little bit darker, and we'll throw some out here, just like that. We're getting ready, you see. We're getting ready to start putting a little bit of something that you might mistake as detail in, okay? And we'll just put just a little bit of that in what is going to be that walking trail. That's really about all that we need to do today. If you wanted to put a pretend trunk in, take a dry brush, just put it in that wet and just pull it like that, and that just makes a little bit of a mark that the brain will think of as being, oh, that must be a tree trunk. Well, okay, yeah. If that's what the brain wants, that's what the brain gets. Be with me tomorrow, and we'll work some more on this. And remember to like, subscribe, follow, comment, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. By golly, each time we get a little bit closer. So be with me tomorrow, okay? And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you.